and gentlemen, boys and girls, today is the day for its first voyage out of the garage. How exciting.
It's not going to work.
Josh is terrified.
I am terrified, but...
Knees weak, palms are sweaty, mom's spaghetti. Let's do some burnouts.
Let's go for a ride. Oh boy. Master switch.
Holy.
When it moves, the brakes are terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh wow, yeah, that is definitely falling off.
Wires are holding that one on.
Oh my god, that's terrifying. My hands are shaking. Holy crap. Oh, that is... Oh my god. What does the data log look like? It looked very, very, very lean. Like 20 AFRs. So bright.
Lean is mean, right? Is that what they say?
Not that lean.
Alright guys, well we just got this truck pulled back in the garage from the first rip, and real impressed with how it turned out. I mean, only a couple parts flew off, but everything in the motor stayed together, so that's an A+ for me.
It's not broke. The tuning's getting better. Kind of learning it, and it seems like it needs a ton of fuel up top and like none at idle, so we're getting it figured out. But it did not like that last clutch dump in 4th gear. The clutch didn't really like that, but 3rd gear it did not care about, on grass at least. So
Yep, it's making boost.
made 8 pounds. The water meth worked. The water meth sprayed out, so it's putting a lot in. I probably should check the nozzle on that one, but I mean, it needs tuning, and we knew it was going to need a lot of tuning, but it's working. It's working pretty well.
Yep.
Needs some limit straps because the suspension's a little loose right now. Sway bars or limit straps or something, but it survived.
Yep. So yeah, today we're going to wrap it up for today, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.